Let's explore how to create a personalized diet plan using AI with the CaloriMate app. First, open CaloriMate and tap on Diet Plan. Here, the app shows you any previously created AI meal plans. If you want to build a new plan, tap the Recreate button. This opens a very detailed survey designed for personalized meal planning. Nothing here is mandatory, but the more you answer, the better the AI result. You'll see questions about goals, calories, macros, and meal preferences. You can also select dietary styles like high protein or low carb. Questions about allergies or health conditions are highly recommended. These answers help the AI meal planner create a safe and realistic diet plan. This process may take a few seconds, so please be patient. This is your personalized AI-powered diet plan. At the top, you can see your weekly plan range. Below that, your main goal is clearly displayed. CaloriMate also shows your BMR and TD values. These numbers are used to calculate your daily calorie needs. Next, you'll see your daily nutrition targets. This includes calories, protein, fats, carbs, fiber, sugar, and water. All values are automatically calculated by the AI diet plan. You can also see your weekly nutrition targets at the bottom. This helps you stay consistent across the entire week. You can save this AI meal plan as a PDF. This is perfect for sharing or keeping the plan on your phone. When you tap Start this plan, tracking begins immediately. Your daily calories and macros sync with the My Calories page. They also appear on your plan progress screen. As you log meals, all numbers update automatically. No manual calculations and no guessing required. This is what makes CaloriMate more than a calorie counter. It's a complete AI meal planner and diet system. Enjoy using CaloriMate, your smart calorie companion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try CaloriMate yourself.